As part of an organization that is SOC 2 certified, I am required to complete monthly training on internet security risks through animated videos. And for this year, 2025, there are 12 episodes I need to complete before the end of the year. Some of the topics include an episode on generative AI, a reminder about maintaining a clean desk, a module on PCI, an episode titled Suspicious Events. I'm not exactly sure what this one will cover yet. Topics on GDPR, device locking, and an introduction to social engineering. A session on incident response, which I believe covers how to handle company incidents and respond appropriately. Other topics include the gift card scam, responsible use of social media, protecting confidential information, and best practices for remote work. Many of these topics are new, while others were introduced last year. This is how SOC 2 compliance works. As part of a SOC 2 compliant organization, we are required to complete these animated training sessions. Each one ends with a quiz, and we must score at least 75% to pass. The goal is to help us avoid becoming victims of threats that could put our company and customer data at risk.